Hi everyone, in this video we'll replace a garage door opener battery. Here we go. We'll replace the battery in this Liftmaster 3850P-267. Open the light bulb and battery compartment lens cover. Gently pull on the terminal wires to pull out the battery. Hold the battery and unplug the terminals. Slide out the battery, and if you don't already have a replacement, note the model number and order a suitable replacement. Mark the installation date, slide in the new battery, connect the terminal wires, red to red, black to black, and close the lens cover. The new battery will charge for several hours. In the meantime, test the operation of the door opener and use as usual. The battery is needed when there is no power. The full battery indicator will display when the battery has finished charging. Please drop a comment if this video was helpful. Here's another video that might interest you.